so that, as we were saying, everyone will be able to enjoy it afterwards. Let me start by saying that we're here to learn, okay? If anyone does not understand what I am saying, please stop me, okay? Can you see my screen properly here? I don't think you can you?
Yes, yes, of course.
You can. Can you
Yes.
hear it full? Can you see it full screen?
Full
The whole.
screen, full screen. Yes.
Very well. Very well. Okay. So first of all, I would like to tell everyone that we're going to start on a light note. Okay, we don't want this to be very heavy. Okay, we're all here to learn. Please, I would like as many people as possible to participate in this lesson. Okay, and I'm going to start by saying, by asking you, I should say, something which is maybe a fun fact. Okay, does anyone know the difference between England, Great Britain, and the United Kingdom and the British Isles? Anyone wants to answer that? Let me remove the map because we have the answer there.